Welcome to Tutorial Lore, managing your Patelco credit union. Accounts on the go has become much more convenient thanks to the Patelco mobile banking app, designed to streamline daily banking. This app offers members quick access to account information, money transfers, and security tools, all in one platform. This video explains how the Patelco mobile banking app works. Once logged in using your Patelco online banking credentials, the app displays your account balances and recent transactions right on the dashboard. You can tap any listed account to dive into its full transaction history, whether it's your checking, savings, credit card, or loan account. To transfer money, tap the Transfers tab. Select your source and destination accounts. Then input the amount and date. The app allows immediate, scheduled, and recurring transfers. Bill payments are handled in the Bill Pay section where you can choose a pay, set the amount, and finalize your payment. For deposits, tap the Deposit Checks feature. The app guides you through capturing images of both sides of the endorsed check and submitting it for processing. Security features include card management tools that let you lock or unlock your debit card, set transaction limits, or enable real-time alerts. Biometric login, like facial recognition or fingerprint access, is also available based on your device. A built-in ATM and branch locator helps you find Patelco locations or surcharge-free apps nearby. Pros of the Patelco mobile banking app include its clean and intuitive layout, reliable money transfer system, and the convenience of mobile check deposits and card controls. It also supports secure login features and easy account monitoring. However, there are some cons. Users have reported occasional bugs following updates, mobile deposit errors, and temporary issues with the biometric login not recognizing saved credentials. Based on recent user reviews, many find the app generally efficient and user-friendly. Users frequently highlight the convenience of checking balances and paying bills without visiting a branch. However, a few users have experienced temporary glitches, like the app freezing or logging out unexpectedly, especially after version updates. There are also mentions of mobile check deposits failing on the first attempt, requiring multiple tries. In conclusion, the Patelco mobile banking app is a useful companion for Patelco members seeking everyday financial management from their phones. While not perfect, the app covers the essential banking features, with a strong emphasis on user security and convenience. If you're already a Patelco member, it's a practical option worth considering for your mobile banking needs. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or inquiries, email tutoriallorebiz@gmail.com.